Nakshatra journey is the journey of the soul of all people, whoever are, because it is only the soul that is being given the body. And with the body, we have to reduce the karmas, and there is Yama who is able to allot again Janma and all that. Therefore, this Nakshatra Sukta is a journey of the nakshatras of all beings, and all the nakshatras are being divided into 27 stars. These 27 stars will work in a day, that is three periods of the month, and all the 3 periods are that is Purnima, Amavasya, and in between the days. So between these two points, the nakshatras will have their presence and influence upon all people. That's why, our Nakshatra Sukta is ending with the Amavasya. That's what we are going to see that. Therefore, when Purnima is that, then it all talks about the life. And moreover, approximately every nakshatra has got 8 lines, Gayatri. 8 lines or 8 mantra, every mantra has 8 lines, and plus 3 more. But because of these 8 lines to each nakshatra being allotted, this sukta is also called Ashtavakya Sukta. So on each nakshatra there are Ashtavakyas. And again, this is a part of the Udaka Shanti. Udaka Shanti mantras, that is, after 60 years, what the individual requires is only Shanti, because he would have completed the samskaras. When once he gets his daughter or son, children married, the remaining they do it, this childhood samskara and more that. So the Udaka Shanti comes after 60 as a Shanti mantra, and one. And moreover, this you have seen that this particular Nakshatra Sukta has got the involvement of many Vedic deities. Veda Devatas are there, passing through these nakshatras and helping us, those who are born in the respective nakshatra. Because whoever comes upon the world, he has to take one nakshatra, he has to take one rasi accordingly, then the influence of the planet, the ruling planet and accompanying planets. And moreover, only the important deities have been taken into count in these nakshatras. And why do you read this, recite this Nakshatra Sukta? For basically remedy of the doshas. Because nakshatra doshas are there. That means what doshas we have got, they are also attributed to nakshatra. They are vice versa. And again, for peace of mind and also for Shanti, the Nakshatra Sukta is recited. And this particular Nakshatra Sukta has a unit. One is Nakshatra Sukta, next one is Navagraha Sukta, ending with the Ghosha Shanti. The Nakshatra Sukta, the order here is different. It is going to be concluding with the Bharani Nakshatra. So, keeping this in view, and moreover, we have to keep in mind recitation. It has got depth of meaning. It has also got a kind of speed and a kind of rhythm, and all these things contribute for the effectiveness of the suktas. Therefore, what is Veda Sukta? Sukham Bhuktam Suktam. For the purpose of getting us happiness, we are using the Veda mantras. And whatever ideas are there in the Veda mantras, they have been registered again in the Smriti Granthas. So Shruti and Smriti, they go hand in hand. Smriti is the memory of understanding of the knowledge of the Vedas. Veda Rasi is Anantam. And that Ananta Veda Rasi or Vedic knowledge to be passed on to humankind and that would add to elevation is really a big effort. For that, we have got a number of rishis, very good number. So thousands of rishis are responsible for the spread of knowledge up to the current times. Therefore, that knowledge we are going to take place. So Revati is last in the list of astrological count of the nakshatras. But in Yajurveda, these two nakshatras are taken to push to the last, the Ashwini and Bharani. And with that, this Nakshatra Sukta comes to conclusion. And Ashwini Devatas are the rulers of this, and they are twins. And what is the meaning of the word Ashwini? Means possessor of horses. And they have also got the power to tame the horses. Horse training they can give. And the symbol of Ashwini is the horse head. And Ketu is the ruling planet for them. And those who are born in the Ashwini Nakshatra are active, quick, energetic, and belonging to the transportation help, and therefore they are more connected to the earth to take care of the people upon the earth. And Ashwini Nakshatra belongs to Devagana, and this is what we understand from the astrological observation. But let us see what is that it is here. And I think I told you that a person by name Dr. K.B. Jog has taken his PhD from Bombay University working on Ashwin Devatas. I saw his thesis. It was long back, maybe in 60s and all that. But his thesis is quite big enough. So that, let us say that Ashwins have got a very important role in the entire Vedic mythology. They are the Surya Putras, and Ashwini is the wife of both of them. And they are always have the fascination for the lotuses. So they are signified by wearing the lotus garlands. So beautiful. You see, you get to know who are all the Vedic deities. And regarding Ashwins, we have got plenty of mythological information. And even in the, that's why when we collect all information from various mantras, we come to know their full personality and what for they are all born, because all are born except Paramatma, that Mahavishnu, who is Aja, Ajayamano Bahudha Vijayate. So, and he is the only one who is called Aja, and all people are Jas. That's why we call this is called Jagat. Where are we called? Jagat. Jagat means, Ja means birth, Janma. Ga is Gamana, that is death. So Janma and Gamana or Maranam, these two things are compulsorily happening upon the world. Nobody can have a choice of remaining whatever length of life that he wants to, because we are in Jagat. And who is the Natha for that? Jagannatha is Mahavishnu. So only his consent must be there for either continuation or extension or sustenance or whatever it is. That's why all people say, recite Vishnu Sahasranamam, because all other Sahasranamas are only the offshoots, because they are all Vishnu avatars. In Ramayana, it is said, when gods went and told Ravana has become a tough problem, now the time that you should put him out. Then Vishnu said, I divide myself into 4. Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata, Shatrughna, and I will be born to Dasaratha couple. So you all be born as Vanaras through various Yaksha ladies and Gandharvas and others. So you all become Vanaras. So we all fight because you directly, I directly cannot kill him. Yes, that is such a param. Therefore, we have to assume a different form, a form which never. That's why they divide. In the same manner, here also all the gods take their different forms and see that the sustenance and sustaining the world takes place. Now, we have to invite them. Those people who are born in the Ashwini Nakshatra, their Shanti is that. So you just count whether 8 lines are there in most of the lines. So 8 lines with Ashta Vakya Suktam. It was said by Ashtavakya Suktam, something like Gayatri Mantra. Whenever there are Ashtakshara, is Gayatri. So 24, 8 into 3. Here also we have got 3 periods for nakshatras: morning, afternoon and evening. Purnima, in between days, and Amavasya. Like that, here also, Ashinau, that therefore, Ashinau, Ashvayuja Upayata. Ashvayuja means upon the horses. So come with your horses onto our sacrificial ground. So our vehicle mode helbeku. Heng barbeku nanu. Banni andre okay, bartini. How should I come to you? You come on your chariot. You come on with your horses. Horse-drawn chariot, like that we have to also tell Asvayuja Upayatam. And why? Shubham Gamashtau Suyamebhirasvai. Shubham Gamistau. Shubham Gamistau is safe travels. See, whenever you are on the wheels, safety is most important because your life depends on the wheels. Not only on the wheel, the air inside the wheel. Agni, Vayu, and Surya, all the 3 fellows. Surya is energy, Vayu is the air in the tube, in the wheel, and Agni is the engine. So like that, Agni, Vayu, Suryas are always with us, and they should bless you. That's why he says, Subham Gamishtau, gum to go, and Suyame Bhirasvai. And you know the Ashvas are highly fickle. Our Indriyas are compared to Ashvas, because no horse you can see stable totally. Never a horse is still. It will be just moving either leg or tail or head or mane or other. So that's why our Indriyas also don't remain stand still. They will be always moving. That's why he says Suyame Bhirasvai. So when the Ashvas are Yama, well trained, well tamed, then they will listen to you. So the taming of the Ashva depends. You know, the eyes of the horse are covered. It has more side attractions than road attractions. Therefore, for our safety, we cover the sides of the horses. You noted? So if you can't ride a horse just like that, it will throw you into a ditch because it likes ditch more than that. That's why there is that kind of trimming, taming, and disciplining and controlling. So that's what man has discovered. So the first who discovered must have had hard time with the horse, riding without the sides of the eyes covered. That's why here, Suyame Bhirasvai, Yama here meaning that taking all precautions, make a ride. You know, the horse speed is so great. And the anatomy of the horse has been beautifully described in our Yajurveda. Yajurveda priest knows what part to be offered in the Ashwamedha Yaga to which god, to which deity. In Ashwamedha Yaga, you find during the mantras, 121 parts of the horse are mentioned. There are 121 deities to whom the respective parts of the horse are being offered. So that's why it's called Ashwamedha, horse sacrifice. And it has got its own the advantages. Therefore, Ashwamedha Yaga is supposed to be a toughest. Only it's a royal concept, royal yajna. So that's why the horses must be well tamed and well disciplined so that they will listen to you. And again, Swam Nakshatragum Habishaya Jantau. So Nakshatram, Swam Nakshatram Habishaya Jantau. So, Ashwini Devatas, those people born in the nakshatra and your own nakshatra is being worshipped, Ajantau is being worshipped along with the Havis. Havis means food. That's why when you invite a god, when you do some honor to him, you should give food and send them. That's why we are telling that we are giving food for your nakshatram. And again, that what kind of food it is? Madhva sampraktau yajusha samaktau. Beautiful. ನೀವು ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಟೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಹಚ್ತೀರಿ, ಬಟ್ಟ ಹಚ್ತೀರಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀರಲ್ವಾ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಈ ಫುಡ್ ಕೊಡುವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಮಧ್ವ ಸಂಪೃಕ್ತವು, ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಅನಾಯಿಂಟೆಡ್ with madhu. And again, not simply food offering, you should request them, because gods are different fellows. See, swapindadasya kurute gajapungavastu dhiram vilokayati chatu sataischa bhumte. Bhartrihari says, if you just show food, the dog comes immediately and starts eating. But elephant will not do it. Swapindadasya kurute. You understand, you are Sanskrit scholars. So, swapindadasya kurute. But what does it swa do? It just langula chalana masascharana avaghatam bhuvau nipatya vadanodara darsanamcha swapindadasya kurute gajapungavastu dhiram vilokayati. You ಫುಡ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಬ್, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಚಾಟು ಶತೈಶ್ಚ ಭುಂಕ್ತೆ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಆನ್ cajoling, requesting. Then it's so like that. Here also the Ashwini Devatas are noble people. They cannot simply eat whatever you offer. So you have to yajusha samaktau. You remember I told you no offering should go without mantra, without utterance. You should tell, you should announce. Agnaye, Agni won't take it. Swaha, then he'll admit. Then again he will look on. Agnaya idam na mama. This is for Agni only, marked out. This is his mark. So na mama, not for me, not for our people. Then Agni will accept it. Similarly, Indraya Swaha. See, this is the culture. What do you get from Yajurveda study? You will come to know our Vedic culture, Hindu culture, the Sanatana Dharma. People write books on Sanatana Dharma, and one book has been given to you. You don't read, so many pages are there, but the book that is there in our Nadaveda, 1916 publication, very old publication, so good it is. Then yo devanam bhishajau. You have to tell them what is their profession. The Ashwin's profession is they are the divine physicians. So divine physicians are very more skilled and powerful even for the human people. So experts ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. You should have that kind of accompaniment. Havishayaj and Devanam Bhishajau. And moreover, who are they? Havyavahu. They are the conveyors of Havis. Because horse is the only conveyor, is it not? Transport animal. What is there at A will take to B or C or Z. Therefore, they are called as Vahau. And even Havyavahu is Ashwini Devatas. And who is Vayu? Vayu is called as Gandhavaha. He is the Vahaha for Gandha. But for wind, no fragrance or otherwise will come to you. If you want to smell a thing, who is that connector? Vayu. Therefore, Vayu is called Gandhavaha, and our Ashwini Devatas are here Havyavahu. Viswasya Dhutau. Amrutasya Gopau. This is all goes of the mythology. ಯಾಕೆ ನೀವು ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬೆಲೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿರೋರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದೇ ಕುಡ್ ಬಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ದೇ ಕುಡ್ ಬಿ ಗುಡ್ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಸ್, ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಸ್, ದೇ ಕುಡ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ವೇದಿಕ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಆರ್ ನೋಬಲ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್. ದೇ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಯ ಕಥಾಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಯ ಭಾಷಾ, ರಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಚೀಪ್ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅವರಿಗೆ. They are always classical people. Therefore, they are the doctor, and also Viswasya Dutau. They don't have any partiality. Whatever possible, they are general people. That's why they could be lawyers, they could be doctors, they could be somebody who is doing some public service. So, Viswasya Dutau and Amrutasya Gopau. Gopa are the protectors, Rakshane Madavaru. Those who are protecting whatever is Amruta, valuable. And no values and protect Madavaru, Mahanubhavaru. See, there are so many values, but those values, unless you value, the value has no value before you. So, unless you value them, so Amrutasya Gopau, Amruta is Pranam. Prano va Amrutam, Amrutam vai Pranaha. So, Prana is Amruta, water is Amrutam vai Apaha. So, there are many things which are coming under the group of Amruta. Apo va idagum sarvam visva bhutanyapaha. Prana va pappasava apo. Annamapo, mridamapas, sambradapo, viradapo, vira. Like that, that apas have been, Amruta items are being described. For all those items of the Amruta, the Gopas are Ashwini Devatas. So, that is wherever the good and long drawn prosperity is there, they will be the protectors. That's why, what is that? If at all anybody is sick, the sick people are made okay and made to work again. That's why I told you Asu Patri. Asu is Pranagalu. Pa is protection, treatment, diagnosis, treatment and all that. 3 is the location. So Asu Patri means a location, a place where your pranas are repaired. If your vehicle is wrong, it will go to garage. If we are wrong, we have to go to hospital. Then after hospital return, we'll be all right. Anyway, so then Tau Nakshatram Jujushanopayata. So they should love the homam, and especially the context where Har Nakshatra, that nakshatra is being worshipped, to that nakshatra food is offered. Jujushanaha. Jushana means accepting. Jujushanaha means desire to accept. So Ashwini Devatas have got to come to the Yajna, Homa, with a desire to accept whatever offerings that have been offered in the name of that Ashwini Nakshatra. So whenever you think of making Ashwini Nakshatra Prarayana, Ashwini Nakshatra Homa, Ashwini Nakshatra Japa, Ashwini Nakshatra, etc. Namaskara, ಆವಾಗ ಈ ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ದೇವತೆಗಳು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. They will take care of our health, and therefore I always tell that don't recite only your nakshatram mantram and say I have done nakshatra sukta. No, you should be always general, because ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಅಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. If there are 4 people, 4 nakshatras are there in the house. So the 4 nakshatras also must be very much benefited because of your concern with that. Therefore, finally, Namo Ashvibhyam Krunumaha. So Ashwi Devatalige, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Namo Ashvibhyam Krunumaha. Who are they? Ashvayubhyam. So they are having the Ashva. So Ashva is said to be the Medhya Pashu. Ashva you call Ashwa Medha Yaga. You understand? Medhya Pashu means sacred animal. Amedhya Pashu andre non-sacred animal. For example, pig is Amedhya. Handi is Amedhya. Haya is Medhya. So Medhya and goat or ram or sheep, well, Medhya Pasus. So only the Medhya Pasus are there. And why this is called Medhya Pasu? We have got a sacrificial explanation. So they are the Dutas and Gopas. You understand? They are the Dutas. They are like Anjaneya. Hanuman is a Duta. After all, who is Hanuman? See, Anjaneyam, Dutam. He is a Duta only. That's why the Duta Swarupa of Anjaneya was understood first, uttered by Rama to Lakshmana when Anjaneya went and introduced himself and his king Sugriva. If a king were to have a Duta like this, that king will be absolutely successful in all things. Therefore, actually, Anjaneya is a finding to Rama and Lakshmana. And when he found that when Rama found him, he simply accepted the words of Hanuman. And again, Rama and Sugriva asked to go and find out Sita. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಬೇಗಿನ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಂಜನೇಯ ಹಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಪಾಪ ನೋಡಿದ ಸರ್ಚಿಂಗ್ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ತುಂಬಾ ಫ್ರಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಬೆಡ್ ಚೇಂಬರ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಕಿಚನ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ವಾಯು ಶಾಲ ಆಯ್ತು, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದಾನೆ. ಪಾಪ ದೂತ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅವನು. ಬಟ್ he ultimately thought, I have not left one garden, Ashokavanam, which is loved by this Ravana. Let me finally have such anta alli hodre he was able to. And not only he saw Sita, he wanted to come back. Duta means he wanted to come back. But then he thought, if I go back, by the time again I come back with Rama, she should be living, is it not? So if he's dead, what the hell about it? So let me talk to her and bestow some hope in her and then go. See, that is a Duta business. Not only that, he saw the king and afterwards he burnt Lanka and showed the Vanaravirya and come back. That's why the Madhya, so Viswasya Dutau, but even Ashwi Devatas are like that. They have got that NY. So who is a Duta? Anjaneya is the best example. And again, Gopa is the king, protector. So they are the rulers of the land. Go means, the word go has many meanings. One, earth. Two, the knowledge, Vedas. Three, cow, animals, all animals. So the go shabda has got so many meanings. So Jujushanaha is important. They must have a double acceptance. Unsal kortini bartini and helbitu nama haktare. No, when you say yad vacha vadati tat karmana karoti tadeshabhyanukta satyam ಜ್ಞಾನಮನಂತಂ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಬಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆನ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತೈತ್ರಿಯ ಉಪನಿಷತ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಪಾಪ ವಾಸನ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಶ್ರಮ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಮಂತ್ರ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಪಾಠ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಇವತ್ತೇನಾಯ್ತು, ನಿನ್ನೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ, ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಟು ಎನಿಬಡೀಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೋವಿಂದ. ಪುಸ್ತಕಸ್ಥ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಸ್ತಕಸ್ಥ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಪುಸ್ತಕದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಮಸ್ತಕಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಆ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಬರೀ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಗತ್ತಾ? ಅನಾಲ್ಜಿನ್ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪೇನ್ ರಿಲೀಫ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅನಾಲ್ಜಿನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಕ್ರೋಸಿನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 15-20 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನೀವು ಆಸನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದು 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಆಯ್ತು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳಬಾರ್ದು. ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ತನಕ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಸರ್ ಪಾಠ ಅಂತ. ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅನುಭವ, ಎಷ್ಟು ತನಕ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಸರ್, ನಮ್ಗೇನು ಗುರ್ತು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಪ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮೇಸ್ಟ್ರುಗಳು, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆತರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಜುಜುಷಾಣಃ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್. ಜುಜುಷಾಣಃ, ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಡಬಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್. ಅಂಡ್ ನಮೋ ಅಶ್ವಿಭ್ಯಾಂ ನಮಃ. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ವಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ? ನಮಃ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸೇ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಅಂಡ್ ಅಶ್ವಯುಭ್ಯಾಂ ನಮಃ. So Ashwini Nakshatra people, you can imagine what are the characteristics of them, what would be the kind of profession that they will be engaged with, and what kind of generality that these people will have ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೆಲವು ನಕ್ಷತ್ರಗಳ ಹುಟ್ಟುವವರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥವಾಗಿರೋರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಿಸ್ವಾರ್ಥವಾಗಿರೋರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. Now let us go to the final nakshatra, which is called Bharani, waiting all the time, because ಈ ಭರಣಿ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ is a very significant ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಭರತಿ ಇತಿ ಕರ್ಮಣಃ ಭರತಿ, ಭರತಿ ಇತಿ ಕರ್ಮಣಃ ಭರಣಿ. ಭರಣಿ is feminine gender, that is the bearer. So receptacle ಅಂತಾರೆ ಭರಣಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ. More so it's a woman. You know, woman bears the child, delivers the child. So the woman knows, the Yama knows, but before he gives before the body the person has been given, what would be the karma when it is there inside the womb of the mother, and what would be this journey of the soul through body outside the mother's womb. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ಭರಣಿ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ಅವರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಜ ಎವರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಮಃ ರಾಜ, ಭಗವಾನ್ ಯಮ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯಮ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಸಾರ್ಟರ್. ಆಲ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಯಮಲೋಕ. ಹಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದಿ ಜಡ್ಜ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಮಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ KEB ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ, and ನಮ್ಮ ವಾಟರ್ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ವಿತ್ BWSSB. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ವೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ಯಮಲೋಕ. there are so many people appointed to keep record of our meter. ಅದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ನರಸಿಂಹ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀಟರ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆ ಮೀಟರ್ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ದೇ ಪ್ರಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್. ಸೊ ಮೀಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ these days no doctor will start treatment unless you go to medical apparatus. ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಅಪ್ಯಾರಟಸ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೋ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಎನಿವೆ, so it is Bharani nakshatra. Yama is the Raja, and so much of work is there about Bharani, and they are the rulers, and they are the persons who can see the karma bandhas. Now, some more things I should say. Bharani nakshatra belongs to the Mesha Rasi, Aswini, Bharani, Kritika, Muru, Mesha Rasi, and that's the first of the Zodiac signs. And moreover, what is the symbol of the Bharani nakshatra? They put the symbol, the vagina of woman is being put as a symbol of that. And because from there only the transition forms, because the karmas because of karma, people get onto the woman's womb, and because not to reduce the karmas, there is a transition of that fetus or jivi outside. Therefore, Yama is the ruler, is the guardian or supervisor of the life and karmas of the which are hidden and later on visible regarding this soul. Therefore, taking the body is an opportunity to be able to reduce the visible karmas and make the soul turn purer and purer. And elephant is also elephant symbol is there for Bharani nakshatra, and so a lot of that is the information is there in Bharani. But let us know from the Yajurveda Sukta what that Bharani would do like. So look at it. Om apapa apmanam bharani bharantu yamo raja bhagavan vichashtam lokasya raja mahato mahanhi sugam nahapantham abhayam krunotu yasmin nakshatre yamayeti raja. ಯಸ್ಮಿನ್ನೇನಂ ಅಭ್ಯಸಿಂಚಂತ ದೇವಾ ತದಸ್ಯ ಚಿತ್ರಗುಂ ಅಭಿಷಾಯಜಾಮ ಅಪಪಾಪ್ಮಾನಂ ಭರಣೀರ್ಭರಂತು. You note an important thing. Between two same statements, the entire matter has been sandwiched. First line, apapapmanam bharanir bharantu. Is it not? Again, the last line, apapapmanam bharanir bharantu. So you can bite that sandwiched bread. Taste will be same. In between, so people love the sandwiches. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಒಂದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ರುಚಿ ರುಚಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. therefore people love the sandwich, cream sandwich biscuits are like that. or so ವೇದದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಋಷಿಗಳು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೋ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಟು. ಬಟ್ ಯಾವ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರಕ್ಕೂ ಅದಿಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ, ಯು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಲ್ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಂತ್ರಾಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಭರಣಿ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಪವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ತಾಯಿ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಪುಣ್ಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾವು ಹೊರಟೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಪಾಪ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಕರ್ಮಾಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್, ಕರ್ಮ ಲೋಡ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಶಂಕರಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಆದೌ ಕರ್ಮ ಪ್ರಸಂಗಾತ್ ಕಲಯತಿ ಮಾತೃಗುಚ್ಛೌ ಸ್ಥಿತೇಸ್ಮಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಪಾಪ ಅಪರಾಧ ಸ್ತೋತ್ರ ಬಿಗಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ನಾನು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕರ್ಮ ಪ್ರಸಂಗ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ದೊಡ್ಡವರು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರಾರಬ್ಧಂ ಭೋಗತೋ ನಶ್ಯೇತು. ಈ ಪ್ರಾರಬ್ಧ ಕರ್ಮ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಾಶ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಹೌ ಡಸ್ ಭೋಗತೋ ನಶ್ಯೇತ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕೀಪ್ ಆನ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದಟ್. ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ದ ಟನಲ್. ಅನ್ಲೆಸ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಟನಲ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಿ ಲೈಟ್ ಅಗೈನ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಪಾಪ ಅನ್ನೋದು, ಕರ್ಮ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಟನೆಲ್. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆರ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಆರ್ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಪೂನಾ ಟು ಬಾಂಬೆ, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಟನಲ್, 2-3 ಟನಲ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೊಂದು ಜಾಯ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಜರ್ನಿ ಟು ಪೂನಾ ಟು ಬಾಂಬೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಟನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಈವನ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಟು ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೆಡ್ರಾಸ್, ದೇರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟನಲ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಪ್, ಲಾಂಗ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಟನಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದಲೇ ಕರ್ಮ ಅದು. ಸೊ ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ದಿ ಟನಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ದಿ ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನೇಷನ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಪಪಾಪ್ಮಾನಂ ಭರಣೀರ್ ಭರಂತು. ಭರಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಪ್ಮಾನಂ ಭರಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾಪಗಳನ್ನು ಬೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಮೂವ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಅಪ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಟು ಭರಂತ್, ಅಪಭರಂತು, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಸೊ ಅಪಭರಂತು ಇಸ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಬ್, ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಭರಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟು ಕಂಟೈನ್, ಅಪಭರಂತು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ? ಸೊ ಅವರ್ ವೇದಿಕ್ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕ್ರಿಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೋ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ that you try to dismiss. Dismiss means not to come back, not to get back again. No reversal, no reversing. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲೇಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಅಪಭರಂತು. ವಾಟ್ ಅದು? ಪಾಪ್ಮಾನಂ. ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾಲ್, ಡೌನ್ ಫಾಲ್. ನಾವು ಡೌನ್ ಫಾಲ್ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಪಾಪಗಳು ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಅಪಪಾಪ್ಮಾನಂ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಭರಣಿ. ದಿ ವೆರಿ ನೇಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಟೆಲ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ವಿತ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಪಾಪಾಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ದೆಮ್ ಅವೇ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಭರಣಿ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿಯವರು ತುಂಬಾ ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಉಪಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಭರಣಿ ಅವರು ಭೂಮಿ ಭಾರವನ್ನು ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಸೊ ಭರಣಿ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರದವರು ತುಂಬಾ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟು, ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಭರಣಿ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರವರು ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ದೇವ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ದೇವ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ, ಭರಣಿ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಭರಣೀರ್ ಭರಂತು. ಅಂಡ್ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ರಾಜ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್? ತದ್ ಯಮೋ ರಾಜ ಭಗವಾನ್. ಭಗವಾನ್ ಯಮರಾಜ. ನೋಡಿ, ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಪೂಜಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಯಮನ ಸ್ಮರಣೆ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ರಾಜಾಧಿರಾಜಾಯ ಪ್ರಸಹ್ಯ ಸಾಹಿನೇ ನಮೋ ವೈ ಶ್ರವಣಾಯ ಕುರ್ಮಹೇ ಸಮೇ ಕಾಮಾನ್ ಕಾಮಕಾಮಾಯ ಮಹ್ಯಂ ಕಾಮೇಶ್ವರೋ ವೈ ಶ್ರವಣೋ ದದಾತು ಕುಬೇರಾಯ ವೈ ಶ್ರವಣಾಯ ಮಹಾರಾಜಾಯ ತೇ ನಮಃ. So Vaisravana and Yama, all these people are there very much attached to our sin removals. And even ನಾವು ಊಟ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಚಿತ್ರಾನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಫುಡ್. ಚಿತ್ರಾಯ ನಮಃ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೇಸ್ ವರ್ಕರ್ ಯಮಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ, ಚಿತ್ರಗುಪ್ತ ನಮಃ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಸೂಪರ್ಡೆಂಟು ಯಮಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಪರ್ಡೆಂಟ್, ಅವನ್ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾ ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ನೋಡಿದಾರ ಇದು ಫೈಲು ಅಂತ ಆ ಕ್ಲಾರ್ಕ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಹೂನ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಂತಕ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾನೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಹಾಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಹಿಯರ್ ಚಿತ್ರಗುಪ್ತಾಯ ನಮಃ, ದೆನ್ ಭೂತಾದಿ ಯಮಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಯಮ ಇದು ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಫೆಲೋ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಫೆಲೋ. ಅಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವಭೂತಾಧಿಪತಯೇ ನಮಃ అంటే ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿವ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಈ ಗಾರ್ಡಿಯನ್ ಆಫ್ ಶಿವ, ಗಾರ್ಡಿಯನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಮಶಾನಾಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಕೊಡೋನು ಅವನೇ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ವಿಸಾ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಅವನು ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಗೋ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರೇ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಪ್ರಾಣ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಪ್ರಾಣ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಈ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಮಹೇಶ್ವರ ಆರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ರಾಜ ಭಗವಾನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿಚಷ್ಟಾಂ ಅಂಡ್ ಏನು ಲೋಕಸ್ಯ ರಾಜ. ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಯಮ? ಯಾರು ಯಮರಾಜು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೋಕಸ್ಯ ರಾಜ. ಲೋಕ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜನರು. ಸೊ ಯಮ ನಿಯಮ ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಾಹಾರ, ಇವನ್ ಅಷ್ಟಾಂಗ ಯೋಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಮ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಯಮ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ಈ ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ದೇವತೆಗಳು ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಅಶ್ವಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸುಯಮೌ ಸುಯಮೇ ಭೀರಸ್ವೈ. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಮ ಶಬ್ದ. ಸೊ ಯಮ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹತೋ ಮಹೀನಾನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಗೆ? ಸುಗಮ್ ನ ಪಂಥಾಮ ಭಯಂ ಕೃಣೋತು. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಂಥ, ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ಜರ್ನಿ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು? ಭಯರಹಿತವಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಫ್ರೀ. ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ರೋಡ್, ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ರೋಡ್, ನೋ ಥಾರನ್ಸ್, ನೋ ಪೆಬಲ್ಸ್, ನಥಿಂಗ್. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಲಿ ಗೋ. ಇಫ್ ಆಟೋ ರಿಕ್ಷಾ ವರ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಇನ್ ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ರೋಡ್ ಆರ್ ತಾರ್ ರೋಡ್, ಹೌ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋಸ್. ಅದೇ ರಗ್ಗೆಡ್ ರೋಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಯಾಣ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಗಮ್ ನಪ್ಪಂಥಾಮ ಭಯಂ ಕೃಣೋತು ಯಸ್ಮಿನ್ ಯಮಃ ರಾಜ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರೇ ಏತಿ. ಈಗ ಅರ್ಥವಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಯಮನು ಆ ಯಮ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಭರಣಿ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು he will be the ruler, protector, sustainer, guardian, supervisor. Everything is Mr. Yama does it. Because Yama is ಲೋಕಸ್ಯ ರಾಜ, ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ಗು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡೋನು ಯಮ. ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಟು, ನಮ್ಮ ಮೀಟರ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ನಮಗೂ ಒಂದು ಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ. ಆ ಮೀಟರ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಮೀಟರ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನೇನೋ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಬರೋದು ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಮೀಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲಲ್ವಾ. therefore ಯಮಯೇತಿ ರಾಜ and therefore ಅಭ್ಯಸಿಂಚಂತ ದೇವಾಃ ಯಸ್ಮಿನ್ ಏನಂ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ದೇವತೆಗಳು ಯಮದೇವತೆಗೆ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಮದೇವತನ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ತದಸ್ಯ ಚಿತ್ರಂ ಹವಿಷಾಯ ಜಾಮ. ಅಸ್ಯ ಚಿತ್ರಂ, ಈ ಯಮನ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ಚಿತ್ರವಾದ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ. ಚಿತ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಂಡರ್? that you don't know much, but when you come to know it, you become surprised. ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಅಂತ ಬಾಯಿ ತೆಗೆದೇ ಇರೋದು. ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಇದು ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ. ಆ ಯಾವಾಗ when you open your mouth, that is a matter of surprise. So ತದಸ್ಯ ಚಿತ್ರಗುಂ ಹವಿಷಾಯ ಜಾಮ. ಅಂಡ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಆಹುತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ? ಪಾಪ್ಮಾನಂ ಭರಣೀ ಪಾಪಭರಂತು. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಪಾಪಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊನೆ ತನಕ ಇದ್ದವರೆಲ್ಲ ನಾಶ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡಿ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? ಸೋ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್. ಐ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ the message, the communication, and what is that. And so, Bharani Nakshatra people tumba kadami. They are all very good rulers and controllers and protectors and helpful for all those things. So I think it's time